Morning guys, Cam here from Little Diggers, and we're just going to quickly run over how to operate a rock breaker on a JCB mini excavator. First things first, we have to make sure these hoses are facing upwards. This rock breaker is pretty heavy, and if it's over the other way and it's laying on these hoses, you're going to break them. So we'll just pick this up, which is as easy as picking up a normal bucket. Just tilt it back a little bit so it's got some balance. Pop this pin into that hole there, and that should attach. And just reinsert this pin in there as you normally would. Okay, so we have to make sure we have a rag handy to wipe these hoses clean, but before we hook those up, we're just going to depressurize these lines because they get quite a bit of build-up in here and it makes it hard to plug the hoses on. And if you do plug them in while there's pressure in this, there's a little O-ring in here that gets damaged and it will drain the hydraulic tank. So with your machine off, turn the key to the auxiliary position without starting the machine. Drop your safety lever, activate your joysticks, activate your auxiliaries, which is the third switch on the right, and then your auxiliary control that operates the breaker is this left pedal here. So you just push that from side to side, and these joysticks from side to side, and that will release the pressure in those lines. Now, like I said, have a rag handy, clean the ends of these lines. If dirt and build-up gets stuck in here, it too will interfere with the seal and it'll break the O-ring in there, which will also cause it to leak out. And it should just clip on as easy as that. If you find that it's hard to clip on, then the hydraulic lines aren't correctly depressurized, so you just need to do that again before causing some sort of leak. Again, give that a good wipe at either end. And you're good to go. Now, we'll pull up to this and we'll smash it up, and that'll be it. Drop it on there nice and carefully. Auxiliaries are activated. Lift your revs a little bit, and that should break that up nice and easy, just like that. And it's pretty good fun. That's how you operate a rock breaker.